I went shopping today and I went a little bit crazy because I was looking at Mrs. Hinch's home. I think that's her Instagram. She's a cleaning kind of Instagrammer. Sounds really weird, but she's really funny. And I got inspired, so I went a bit crazy. I picked up a load of stuff in Poundland because cleaning products are so cheap in Poundland. So I picked up these grey bins to organise downstairs, 2 underneath the kitchen sink and 1 in the bathroom. And I got from Wilkinson's a microfiber duster. I got from Poundland carpet care and sofa foam. I got Sif stainless steel in Poundland. I got a duck citrus thing for the toilet. I got Glade forest stuff to spray. Got 2 different Sephloras because your girl loves Sephora. Colgate whitening. I got these microfiber cloths in Primark, actually, of all places. They're like these really cool cloths, so yeah, they look nice. Other cloths. Wilkinson's, I picked up these sets of you know, containers for food. In Poundland I got some pastel highlighters and a weekly planner, which I think will be really good for the desk downstairs. I got this little folder holder thing, paper holder thing, and a document wallet from Poundland. In Primark I also picked up this pegboard, which is a square pegboard where you put on letters, and I'll show you in a bit what I'm going to do with it, but I was going to put the Wi-Fi code on it and leave it downstairs in the living room so anyone who comes around will know the Wi-Fi code, which I thought is a really cute idea. So in Primark I just picked up these, which are their Bare Face Beauty new 2-pack argan oil face wipes. I keep a pack of these in my gym bag and in the bag that I take home. But yeah, that's my little haul of today. I lugged a lot and then I went food shopping. I feel super productive. Woo. My fringe just doesn't seem to be playing ball today. I feel like I say that every time I wear my fringe down in a video, but hey. It is Wednesday today. No, it's Tuesday today. Wow. And it's like the afternoon. I've been working all day basically for Weekend In. I did a couple of hours yesterday so that I could finish earlier today. I'm still not done. I'm just on my lunch break. Now I have just put a little bit of something on my face, so that is why I'm starting it now, but you would have seen some bits from this morning. I went into town yesterday and got some bits that I showed you, and I'll show you what I've done with those a little later on today, but I thought I would just introduce the video. It's just going to be a really random vlog. I think I'm going to film some stuff today, but I'm also going to record some stuff on Friday. Dom is back then and I believe we're going to go to IKEA and get some plants and stuff, so I want to record that. But yeah, tonight I'm not really doing much. I just wanted to chill, which is why I did some work yesterday, and also today because I wanted to have time to clean the house and do some laundry and stuff, and also chill as well. I'm going to be fake tanning later. That's one thing I know I'm going to do. I have to go and get Dom's car from the club as well, but I probably won't take you on that because that's not very interesting. Yeah, and I'm going to be fake tanning later, so I thought I might show you that because I did actually mention in my previous video how when I was talking about confidence, like fake tan makes me feel confident, which might seem a bit strange, but it's just the same as being tanned, I suppose. Everyone feels better with a tan, and right now I probably feel at my worst because I am so bloody pale. It's horrible. So yeah, gonna be a bit of a pamper evening. Fake tan, take off my nail polish, which is a bit chipped. I'm missing a thumb anyway. So I will show you what I do to fake tan most weeks because I pretty much do it every week, but that is all that I'm doing. It's going to be a very chilled, homey vlog, so I hope you don't mind that, but people tell me they prefer it, so I'm going to keep doing it. So I'm just, I'm out of breath, been running up and down the stairs of the house. I'm gonna run and, I'm not gonna run, I'm gonna walk and get Dom's car from the ground. And then come back and carry on work for a little bit. So it's gonna take me about 10 minutes to get there, so that's fine. Just chucked on a coat and some leggings, and yeah, I'm gonna head down. This coat, I just wanted to show because I bought it the other day in Primark, and I can't believe it really, but since I bought it, I've seen about 3 or 4 people wear it, which is just hilarious. Dom and I went into town, we were like, oh, there it is, there it is, there it is, brilliant. Because it's such a cheap and affordable coat, everyone's gonna have it, but I just really liked it because it's the same as the Urban Outfitters ones last year. I think it was £20, and it's really lovely for winter and really cozy, so yeah. This has been my go-to coat recently. It's fab. I love it. And I got mine in a size small. I'm 5'2", and it hits like mid-thigh. It's perfect. So yes, anyway, I'm gonna run and get Dom's car, and then I'll be back to carry on and finish the little bit of work that I've got left. And then I'm going to clean because I'm not gonna be around tomorrow. I've got netball tomorrow night. Dom's probably gonna be back tomorrow. Thursday, I've got work all day. And I wanted the house to be tidy for when Dom comes back, so that gives me tonight to do it all. So yes, gotta go. The fake tan that I'm using at the moment is this one by Rimmel. I was sent this. It's their Sun Shimmer Self Tan Lotion with chia oil. I've got medium to dark, and I really like it just because it's really moisturising. I switch up between this and a mousse just because the mousse can be quite drying on my skin, and this is a velvet mitt from Primark, but this is what I'm using at the moment, and I really like it. It smells so good. So I'm just going to show you the difference in my legs. You won't notice much of a difference because it's more of a gradual, as you wear it for a couple of hours it will develop. It doesn't really have much of a guide colour as such. It doesn't really have much of a guide colour, but you can tell that, you know, that's darker than that. I'm all tanned and developing, and I've just popped on some baggy black clothes. I don't deal with any fake tan stain removal. I just wear black clothes and then it'll all come off in the wash. So yeah, I'm gonna go take my breakfast dish down and wash the dishes before Dom comes home. So I'm currently sat on the kitchen floor. As you can see, I've got my cooker and the recycling there that needs to go out. But I just wanted to show you from what I bought yesterday, when I've, you know, been obsessed with this Instagram, cleaning Instagram, called Mrs. Hinch's Home, I think. Everyone like jokes saying it's a thing to be like Hinched, and yeah, to be honest, I've been kind of convinced. So I went out and bought so many cleaning products and stuff and organised it all into these bins. You would have seen that I picked them up yesterday. Picked up these grey bins in Poundland. I've just organised all of my products into there. I've got a lot of stuff. I've kind of put it into sections. So I've got kitchen stuff like anti-bac. I've got the stainless steel stuff that I really want to use on the cooker and on the sink out in the utility, and see how that comes up, because that is meant to be amazing. I've got, you know, some floor wipes, some anti-bac wipes, and all of my kitchen sprays and stuff in there. And this one down here is my favourite bin, if I can have a favourite bin. I've got Dusty the Duster, which is pretty rubbish name to be honest, but I bought this duster yesterday and it's amazing. I've been dusting everything and everything looks great. It's so much easier to dust with something like this, and then this head comes off of it and I just machine wash it. It's a miracle. I'm gonna try and tip this up to show you my cloth porn, because I don't think you've ever appreciated cloth porn like you have right now, but oh, how good. That is something short of success, I think. Is that a saying? I don't know, I just made it. I've got my Glade Magical Forest, which I might just run around and spray everywhere so Dom thinks that the house smells nice. But it does actually smell of my new Zaflora Linen Fresh, because I picked this up yesterday and I use this in my sheets wash today to make my sheets smell linen fresh. And it's amazing, my whole upstairs smells like it. I also picked up the Zaflora Pink Grapefruit, and I've ordered 2 spray bottles from Wilkinson's. I went in yesterday, but of course they didn't have any, annoying. But I've ordered them to collect, and I've ordered 2. One to do the Mrs. Hinch softener mix that you spray on like sofas and stuff, and the other one to use with Zaflora to disinfect stuff. Got some carpet stain remover. Now this is clear carpet stain remover. I might try this one first. I don't know how it's gonna work, to be honest, because it was just in Wilkinson's and I picked this up when Dom first moved into the house as just like a backup. But obviously you would have seen in my haul that I picked this up, which is like, it's by Zanto, but it's similar to the Vanish carpet and foam, and I usually prefer carpet and sofa foams, so we'll see how that goes. I've also got my Mr. Sheen, which smells of magnolia and cherry blossom, but I picked this one up before I saw Mrs. Hinched. She loves this as well, but my mum actually told me to buy this because we've got a Bosch stainless steel. Ooh, steel. I can use my steel to make it shiny, but she likes to use this to get rid of the finger marks on the fridge, so that's really good. I've also got the window cleaner and mirror cleaner, and then my cloth pawn. That is my cleaning haul. I need to stop sitting and talking to the camera and get going. So yeah, let's go. Now because I haven't, and we've been to IKEA, our friends have come round, we've been food shopping, and now we're going to cook dinner, and I don't have time really to film anymore because I've got so much to get sorted and edit this before I leave tomorrow for the cricket. So I'm gonna finish this vlog now, and I will see you next week for another video. I hope you liked it and it wasn't too random, but the main aim of this vlog was to show you how much I love cleaning now, so here we go. I need to go, otherwise my spag bowl is going to burn. See you later.